Alright, here's going to be a quick little video, okay, regarding drum brakes. Especially on the rears where the emergency brake is located. So, to replace a bad wheel cylinder, the easiest, best way to do it, without having to take off all these freaking springs and all this other freaking get up, best way to do it, take the drum off, and then get the emergency brake pedal, push it all the way to engage the emergency brake, and by doing that, it pushes these two shoes outward and giving you space to basically maneuver the wheel cylinder out of the way. Just manipulate it, shake it around, get it out, and then just basically take the pins that actuate the actual shoes, take those out and put your new wheel cylinder back in, and then of course put orientate your little pins there, and then bolt it all back in. So should be a pretty straightforward and easy little way to do it, instead of having to take the hold downs off, take all the springs out of the way and all that, unless of course you're doing a full brake job. But as you can see, the shoes on this one are still good, just the wheel cylinder stuck from sitting for so long. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it the quick and easy way. Hope you guys liked the video.